I'm always based on oxtail, and people told me that I should try curry goat. So one day just try curry goat. Yeah.
But you did. The other platter there was.
They said I should try curry goat separately.
Oh.
Yeah.
This is nice.
This is nice.
Which one? This is jack chicken.
Yeah.
You can take it again. A few days ago, I got an opportunity to take one of my African friends to a Jamaican restaurant. To be specific, a Kenyan friend. So this is another Jamaican restaurant that we are trying today. It is located in Kenya, known as Branjam. So ladies and gentlemen, let's see what happened. Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, I'm with a friend of mine here today. He has always been, following the page of African Walk. And so today I've decided to also bring him for a treat, for the Jamaican cuisine or food, But the good thing, this is now a new restaurant. The other time we were in Jam Rock, owned by Jam Tours. So I found another Jamaican restaurant. And like I told you, we're also trying to test and have a visit on all the Jamaican restaurants. So, my friend, you're gonna...
Hi guys, my name is Ronald.
Yeah.
It's a privilege being here.
Yeah.
I've been following African Walk, and I asked fellow if I could, feature one of the videos.
Yeah.
And I'm also excited about tasting Jamaican food.
Yeah.
It's my first time. I've never tasted.
Yeah.
I've never interacted
And he's picky, by the way.
You've never interacted with
Jamaican culture.
Oh, yeah.
I'm so excited.
At least, he's gonna do it live.
Yeah, good
But
to
he's
see you
picky.
guys.
Is picky like or not?
He's a picky eater.
In terms of...
Is a picky eater?
Yeah.
Yeah, but let's see when he's given Jamaican food
So
if he's gonna...
meaning if he likes it, it's gonna be, 'cause
Oh, so
it's usually so hard to
like for him
please
to...
the picky eaters. Just generally.
Yeah, I get you.
Just one bite and they're like, no, I don't
Yeah,
think
yeah.
this is something that I can take.
So let's see how it goes.
Let's go.
Okay.
So this one is called Branjam.
Okay.
So I think the jam is because of the Jamaica. I've realized that term. Jam rock. Yeah.
And what about this is my new jam?
Yeah, it's our new jam.
Yeah, we are jamming to it.
Yeah, we're jamming to it. Yeah.
Also, in Jamaica we say want to yam.
Yeah, to yam. Yeah.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. So
It's something you have to keep.
yeah, you can see the Jamaica. You can see the Jamaican flag there. Yeah, and here I love Jamaican food.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Where do we
let's see how it goes. You can sit anywhere. So
Where there's like at least
the restaurant is called Branjam or Jam, Jamaica. Oh yeah.
it's so dark.
It's dark. The lights.
Should we come sit over here?
Yeah, it's okay.
Over here.
Or we can sit over here.
No, because we are three, I think, and then it's gonna be easy for you guys. I can take a
So chikosa kwa hapo maybe ita convenience. What do you think?
Okay, let's
Or we sit on the other side because I see. Yeah. So we are here. Just wanna try the jam.
yam.
We want to. Yes, a friend of mine has been saying, you talk about Jamaican food, so at least
Just so dark.
it's dark. Yeah, so we've decided to change our location because the other place we were in was a little bit dark. So we've been given the menu here. Maybe you can zoom. So what we wanna do, we wanna check. But me, there's some food I've eaten. Me, I wanna try different.
Oh, really? I was even thinking we would go for the platter, just so he can get like a taste of, a variety.
Oh, so you can take like a platter.
Yeah, like the one that we took. I think it was Branjam platter. It comes with oxtail and broad beans, jack chicken, jack sausage, rice and peas, fries and coleslaw, whatever.
Oh, so you can try that one.
Yeah, and it's 2.7, and then there's this one. But I feel like this one, because this serves 2 people, this one serves 3 to 4 people. Oxtail, jack chicken. Because this one for 2 people, the other time we couldn't finish it anyway.
All right. So there is jack chicken, quarter 500, stir fried chicken.
No, this one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Now I was saying this one also.
Okay.
Yeah. So you prefer you go for this one?
Yeah, not unless you want everybody to pick something they want.
All right, so yeah, it's okay. I
Yeah.
think we're gonna take the platter for the Jamaican food because I've got a friend of mine, like I've told you, has never tried. So maybe we're going for the platter, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be the
And
best
the
one.
drink?
The drink,
I know what I really want.
what Jamaican drink do they have?
Cereal.
Yeah, how do you, Cyril?
Yeah,
So-
cereal. Or what's the name?
Sorrel.
Sorry. Okay.
Right.
Well,
Now, so which drink do they have here? Or maybe that lady can assist us. Why
I
don't
think
we?
maybe I'll just go for the cereal. Whatever it is.
Why don't we call her? It's gonna, she's gonna make it easy for us.
No shakes. He really likes having milkshakes.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. Sorrel that has ginger drink or coconut water.
I want to try something. I want to try something so indigenous, so Jamaican.
Yeah, now that's what we're talking about.
All right.
Now I would help you pick. This sorrel, you haven't tried it. Dragon fruit juice, I don't think you have as well. And then this is just like other fresh juice.
You know what I like? What Jamaican would I like?
You.
What?
This
What
is literally just, the coconut water is just madafu.
And it's
Other-
like
yeah.
Jamaican.
Yeah.
And the dragon fruit juice?
It's universal.
I don't think he has tried that.
Was it? It's
Why don't you
it
call
is,
those
the
ladies?
people who add some.
At least they can start
milk
preparing.
or yogurt. Yeah. There's some
Yeah,
people
she's
who
coming.
actually add some yogurt to the dragon fruit. It's really good.
Let's go.
Yeah. So you've decided on the platter. At least, yeah.
I have even tried.
You've told her.
Yeah, eat your first one.
Because it has got like...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alafu, Feti, let me ask you, does this dragon fruit juice come with the milk? No, it's just the dragon. Okay, but it's not bad. Me, I'm gonna go with the sorrel.
Sorrel ginger.
Yeah.
Me give me dragon fruit.
You don't have sorrel.
You don't have sorrel? It's finished.
That
Oh.
tells you how good it is. Everybody comes here for it.
So what do you have?
Coconut creamish.
Coconut,
Water.
So what do you have?
Dragon.
I think I'll also just have that one.
Dragon fruit juice.
Yeah.
Okay, give us that one.
3.
Yeah. And one platter, right?
Yeah.
Because that the platter is it's big. Yeah, it's gonna be easier for us.
But you know this one in Jamaica, you know what they call it? Jelly.
The coconut.
Yeah, give me some jelly.
But then,
Yeah.
what is the signature food for Jamaica? The staple or signature,
Yes,
whatever.
their staple food is salt and ackee fish.
Ackee-
Ackee
Ackee and
Ackee and
saltfish.
saltfish.
Yeah.
Do you have that?
You don't have ackee and saltfish?
You guys don't cook it? Oh, it's Imisha? Ackee
Ackee and saltfish.
Okay.
Oh, you also prepare it here? I think next time we should,
Yeah,
because
we need
I've
to
also
try
never
it.
tried ackee and saltfish.
Yeah, there's even
Yeah.
this one that the...
He's saying, oh, as if he knows the ackee and saltfish food.
Bro, there's this one. I don't know if you've tried it, fellow.
Yeah.
The one for the ball. So what's they called?
Dumpling.
Dumplings. Have you tried it?
I have never tried dumpling.
You can't even believe how it's made. Guess. It's on a layman's language. It's literally boiling mandazi. Yeah, like
Yeah.
because they kanda the way we you know, and then they put stuffs inside. There's carrot inside, and then there's coconut, and then you put it in water and I boil.
Yeah.
But it's really nice.
Wow.
I know you would like it. You would love it.
They should have given us drink as we wait for the...
But we've
Or
just
the
ordered
drink.
now. Let's give
Yeah.
them grace. But again, I feel like Ron might have been right. You've seen. Okay, let me sit here. I feel like Ron might have been right
Yeah.
because they say it's jam and then there's music.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he said what about the jam?
Jam, yeah. You see when they've done the music thing.
Yeah, so it might be jam to the music. Let me tell you one of my favorite Caribbean
Dishes.
Jamaican dishes.
Yeah.
It's the rice and peas.
Oh,
And this
yeah.
is coming from somebody who doesn't like rice and beans. So what they do, and which is really nice, in Kenya when we are eating rice and beans,
Yeah.
we prepare the rice, we prepare the beans.
Yeah.
So it's rice and beans. In Jamaica, they literally mix it.
Mix them,
Yeah. So I know, at me I used to be like, oh. So now what happens? They prepare the rice, and then they put in like coconut and all that, so it becomes really nice. And then they parboil the beans separately, and then they mix them together, put in some cream.
Wow.
Oh, that's why rice and peas is...
Oh my God, it's so good. It's so good. The good thing is it's part of the platter. So you would try it. I hope. And then there's the jack chicken.
Yeah, because I've seen the platter. I think there's rice and peas also, right?
There is. There's the oxtail. Have you tried oxtail before?
He has never tried Jamaican food, my friend.
Yeah, but maybe oxtail really isn't.
Where?
Do you know what oxtail is?
No.
Yeah, oxtail is the tail of the cow. Like, have you ever eaten the tail of the cow?
Like literally ox.
Ox, yeah,
Yeah.
oxtail.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Because at the time when I was I brought Lynn the Jamaican food, I was asking that what is oxtail. People were like, oxtail is the tail of a cow.
Yeah, so some people
Yeah.
used to think oxtail is from horse. I don't know why. Like it's weird, but
And is it a delicacy in Kenya?
no.
Yeah, but then we
I think maybe we eat oxtail without noticing that it's an oxtail.
No.
Yeah,
I
of
don't
course.
think we eat it.
I don't think we eat it.
I don't
For
think
real?
we-
Yeah.
No, we
We
discard
just-
it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We just throw it away.
For some weird reasons, I don't know why.
Yeah, I don't know why. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me tell you guys one fun fact that I learned when I was in Nigeria.
Yeah.
In Kenya, and this is also for the viewers. In Kenya, I don't know. Let me know if this is what you guys do. We go and slaughter the cow, get rid of the skin, and all that, then we just hang it somewhere and sell it, right?
Yeah.
Now that's not what happens in Nigeria. In Nigeria, let's now use a goat. They slaughter it, and then they kind of burn the hair that it has. Yeah. So now when you're in the market, you literally see a whole goat.
No way.
Oh, I get you.
Kid you
So
not.
what is the purpose of burning the?
To remove the hair.
The fur.
The fur.
What does fur do? Or is it a preservation method or something?
I don't know. So now you haven't even been shocked. So now what happens when you go to the market? This is what happens in Kenya. We buy our meat kg. There's measuring scales and all that. So we put it right.
Yeah.
In Nigeria, it's literally you just price with your eye. Just go like, this is 200 naira. I kid you. So, maybe 200 though. This one might be 250. Yeah, so like
it's
that.
open to negotiation.
Yeah, it's something that I feel like the people on my YouTube channel, I like saying that all the time.
Somebody just feel this one is a particular price.
Yeah, so what happens? You just go with your full goat in the market.
Yeah.
And then depending on the who come to buy, that's it. And then somebody will say, no, I don't want that part.
Yeah.
I don't want this part.
Yeah.
Give me the leg.
Now, who gets to choose the ribs?
The people love the ribs.
Yeah, but the people love the ribs, especially like even me.
Who come and say, give
Especially
me chops.
the rib of a goat.
Yeah.
I really like it.
I'm a pork ribs.
I really like it because there's some meats that are on the ribs, right?
Compare ribs to
Steak.
To steak.
Yeah, but I'll take steak, but I'm saying, but still I love ribs. Like
Gun
I want it
on
mine.
your head, rib or steak.
I'll take steak, but my point is I cannot throw ribs.
Yeah.
Of course, nobody will
And also,
dispose
according
it.
to your financial status, obviously steak is going to be expensive. Steak is expensive, so people go for ribs.
They're going to eat the ribs.
So it's going to be easy,
Yeah. And it's crazy. And another thing that is funny, Nigerians and Jamaicans have a lot of similarities in common. Because all of them eat like plantain. Have you tried plantain?
Banana,
No
but
way.
in Kenya you don't make plantains.
But I do. I make plantain in my house.
But in Kenya we don't, like it's not...
You come home. You tell me there was no point.
Yeah.
I ever made plantain.
Never served.
Let me check if there's plantain here for you. Oh.
So plantain is literally banana.
Yeah, banana.
No, it's not banana. It's plantain.
So it's not banana?
No.
What do you mean it's not banana?
Ask them in the comment section. It's not banana. It's the plantain.
Like from what
Is it a
plant?
crop? Is it?
What crop? You're saying it's not
It
banana.
looks like banana, but it's not.
So plantain is not banana.
No. Or is it type of banana?
If it's a type
But
of
banana
What
is
makes plantain? That's the point.
No, banana is the stuff that we normally eat when we peel it.
Yeah.
That's the ripe banana.
Yeah.
But now there's now plantain.
Yeah, but okay. Anyway.
No, that's what I'm asking.
Yeah.
Like now I'm also concerned.
Yeah.
Because why is it called plantain? Like I don't know. Because it's you literally prepare it. But again, you can also eat it anyway.
Yeah.
Though they are grown differently. It's not it's not like you grow banana and then you say I'll take this and keep them as plantain. No.
Okay.
They are literally grown differently. They grow under different.
Plantain is a species of banana.
Now that would. Yeah, it's a species, but it's really nice and it's really big. They are bigger. And then
Like how big compared to the human arm? Your arm.
They would maybe something like this.
Oh, they're big.
Yeah, they're generally bigger, and then even when you are coucking them, you slice them.
For them to the pieces.
Yeah. So I like my plantain soft. There has been, you see the way Ghana and Nigeria argue about jollof.
Yeah.
There has been a fight between Nigerian plantain and Jamaican plantain. Which one is better?
There's been a fight.
Yeah, not really like a fight.
Not
like
a fight,
it's
yeah.
That people ask
Or
all
like
the time.
argument.
Yeah, argument. Which one do you think is better? And I've tried both.
And what can you say about it?
I would say I love both. I would say true. I would say I actually love both.
Gun on your head.
Yeah.
Gun on my head.
Yeah. But let us not bring that argument because these are two countries that are,
Yeah.
because it somehow bring like you're also appreciating culture.
But me, I feel like they're the same. That's what that's what I genuinely think. I feel like they're the same.
them differently.
No, that's the funny part.
Oh.
It's literally the same.
Is it fried or?
Yeah,
But I think somebody, maybe you might not notice, but I'm sure maybe if a Jamaican tastes a Nigerian plantain, he might tell you it's not the same. And I'm sure if a Nigerian, because both of them have grown up in the culture of having plantains, unlike us, you know. So me, I'll taste a Nigerian plantain or a Jamaican plantain, and I'll think it's the same thing. Just like me, I can never differentiate between jollof rice from Ghana and jollof rice from Nigeria.
Well, I can immediately.
Yeah.
Yes.
I can't.
And I would say, and I've said this, and I've said this all the time. Give me Ghanaian any day, any time.
Wow.
Yeah, for me.
Yeah.
Of course, with the same breath, there are some meals in Nigeria that give me that any day, any time. Yeah, but with because I feel like for me, one good difference between with the Nigerian and Ghanaian jollof is Nigerians use the more I wouldn't say the local rice.
Yeah.
In Kenya, you know the rice we say sindano, the softer one, basmati. That's what the Ghanaians like. But by default, I prefer. Usually on a normal basis, it's like, this rice. How do we call it in Kenya?
So you're saying Nigeria use the local rice, and Ghana use
this other rice,
like imported.
The imported.
Yeah, I think the imported. Or they eat this. Like if you, as somebody who, so I would feel like again, I cannot say which jollof is better.
Yeah.
In my mind, I've just realized I am talking about the rice.
Yeah.
I am talking about what they have.
That's
used.
what I just said.
Yes, because by default, I love the Pishori one.
Yeah.
Yes. So guys, the battle still continues. I've not picked.
I think also Nigeria is doing a good thing because they're using local rice.
Yeah.
And that is what we are trying also to encourage Africans. At least you can use your local, you know, because we've always despised our local, our local stuffs. So Nigerian, being that they're also using their local rice to have jollof, to me,
That's one of the similarities. How do I put this? Another similarity between Jamaica and Nigeria is all the countries I've visited, these two countries specifically stand out in terms of food. They have a variety of food. They have a variety of food. In Kenya, if you go to a random Kenyan restaurant and they ask you what are you going to eat, I don't think you could mention up to 10.
Oh, like it's normal. You'll say chapati, nyama, ugali, like you're more specific. Yeah.
In Jamaica and Nigeria, it's a variety. It's a variety. Even if you just randomly say you want rice, they will say, which rice? There's fried rice. There's
I get you.
Coconut rice. There's even one called the village rice. There's a fada rice. That one is grown. It's literally almost just found in Nigeria. It's brown in color. It's like that. So and that's the same thing with Jamaica. If you want chicken, there's the jack chicken. There's the what chicken. There's the It's something that I 100% applaud them. It's a beautiful experience. The sorrel is here. Oh, the dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. The dragon juice. Yeah.
Back then, there were speculations that the dragon juice was the fruit that Eve ate. Because it's a really special.
Eve in the Bible.
Yeah. It's a really special type of fruit.
Yeah.
But I don't know how true it is.
So how long is the food?
Followers. Don't let me hold it for you so I can see.
20 minutes.
Wow.
Oh, man.
Sweeties, you had said 10. Okay, it's all right. Okay, Ron, let's
No, this is my first time tasting a Jamaican delicacy.
Yeah. You are going to turn into a dragon. Let's go.
Okay. It's nice.
Is it?
Honestly, it is.
Yeah, and normally you would have loved it more if they add milk.
Yeah, it's smooth, yeah.
Maybe it's a Malaysian thing. In Malaysia, they put milk in it, and it just becomes really good. It's not bad.
Nice.
Yeah.
Have you tried it before?
This is the first time. I've only tried a sorrel.
Okay.
Yeah. So this we are told is dragon fruit juice, and they've told us is a Jamaican. So you guys can tell us if it's really a Jamaican drink. We've been told that sorrel is finished, so we are taking this one as we wait for our food.
Okay.
Main course.
Nice.
As we wait for the main course.
Yeah, we're gonna catch up with you guys in a few.
So the platter has been brought, and this one is a bit different with that one in Jamrock. You see, the one we had, it was too much.
Yeah. It was too much.
Yeah, there's a time we took with Sean was a lot.
Yeah, it was too much.
Yeah, so here we have rice and peas, right?
Okay, let me explain to Ron what we have.
Yeah.
We have
Before you explain,
Yeah.
show me which is the indigenous Jamaican meal here, which is identified with Jamaica.
all of it.
All of it?
Because
Even fries.
No,
Yeah, that's a question people normally ask if. Yeah. Okay, leave the fries alone. So just here we have this one is
jack
chicken, right? And then this is the plantain. So you can show them.
Is this really a plantain? No, this is not a plantain.
This is plantain.
This is the sausage.
Oh, the sausage.
Yeah.
Oh
This is
yeah,
sausage.
because they are chopped like plantain.
Yeah.
These are so jack sausage.
Yeah, jack sausage.
So there's no plantain here.
Yeah,
And then this one is oxtail, right?
Oxtail.
This one is
The
oxtail.
other one had,
this is oxtail.
yeah,
Yeah.
the other one even had.
Maybe you can
had
take one. You
goat.
can take one. Yeah.
I wanted to ask, why is it given like that title, jack chicken? Jack.
In Jamaica, there is that system of cooking, jack seasoning, the spices and yeah. But we can ask them why is it that most of the Jamaican food.
Tender.
Nice.
How
Yeah.
about the jack chicken?
Sorry, brother. You know you're the one I brought to you, but I also have to. Yeah, I'm always based on oxtail, and people told me that I should try curry goat. So one day I'll just try curry goat. Yeah.
But you did. The other platter there was.
They said I should try curry goat separately.
Oh,
Yeah.
This is nice.
this is nice.
Which one? This is jack chicken.
Yeah.
You can take it again.
How about jack sausage?
No, never tried jack sausage. Let me also.
Oh, fellow, we did.
Jack sausage. We didn't
Oh
try
no, we didn't try jack wings.
jack sausage.
Nice.
Yeah, it's nice and tender.
Um,
How about the
The rice.
rice and peas? That's actually my favorite. Let me try and eat behind the
Oh,
camera.
this is the rice and peas you're talking about.
so are you trying eating? Because me I'm eating.
Yeah, I'm eating.
Bro, you should eat because.
I hope it's really nice, by the way, because
It wasn't
Yeah.
okay, I feel like the way I told you about it.
Yes.
But
I raised my
different
expectations.
restaurants make different meals differently.
Yeah.
How about one day I'll make you this? Because I learned how to make it when I was in Jamaica and it was really good.
There's a time you made them Jamaican food.
No, like I learned how to make most of the even jack chicken I can make in the house.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Most of them I learned.
So bro, how is it? South Africans like saying how is it?
Oh really?
Or is it Nigerians?
Yeah, I thought it's Nigerians. Or is it how far?
Oh yeah. Yeah, but they cook nice, right?
I
They
feel
cook
like
good.
the curry goat is nice.
The curry goat?
Yeah.
This is oxtail.
Oh, it's oxtail goat.
Yeah.
Let me ask, by the way, if this is an oxtail,
Yeah.
how comes it has a bone? Does a tail have a bone?
Yeah, of course.
Yes, maybe it's there cut.
Of course there is a bone.
Just from the let them answer us in the comment section.
Yeah.
Oh, yum the food.
Yeah.
On yam.
But I think this one is so. These guys have cooked really nice.
Yeah.
Do Jamaicans know what yam means in our native language?
No, they can't know that, bro.
But I've explained for them. Yam is literally to eat.
Oh, okay. Oh.
It is literally to eat.
Yeah.
It's we have people who misuse the term yam, but yam, no, yam simply is to eat.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
To chew.
Yeah.
True, yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like they don't like this particular restaurant does not have the best of the rice. I've tried it. Yeah, but they've done a decent job.
Yeah.
But we would have you tried the one in Jamrock. They even
From
have,
them to us.
yeah,
But to me, this rice is better for me.
oh really?
I don't know why. Yeah.
Wow. Or maybe I would make
I
one.
mean, I would prefer this one.
It's funny that we are not taking the fries.
Yeah, the fries will wait first.
Fellow, I think I'm gonna have to end so that I can eat. Yeah.
So
Okay, give us a parting shot. Oh, let's start with Ron.
Jamaican food is amazing. Really amazing. My favorite was the jack chicken.
or the jack chicken.
Yeah.
Oh,
I liked the the oxtail too, but I think I need to taste
Or like maybe from a different kitchen.
Yeah. the rice. But it's perfect cuisine. It's a perfect meal.
And you know, I feel like also in Kenya we need to have. Okay, I think we do. If there's a region in Kenya that has like really good food and a variety, that would be the coastal side.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the coastal side, because they can easily give you a platter. Because I can't imagine if you go to Kisumu, like what platter would they offer you?
Yeah.
Because now that Kisumu is known for fish, in the lakeside, right?
Yeah.
But anyway, you're gonna do better.
So guys, today we're just having some lunch. It's dinner because it's late, but I just brought a friend of mine to at least try what I've been preaching. But me of late I've become I'm now a yardie. Yeah, because every run I'm just feeling like I'm wasting time, you know. Yeah. But me, you know, oxtail is always my favorite.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, so that's why I'm still here. So guys, until next time, you're also having the dragon fruit. We'll talk later.
Okay.
So we had to cut short the video because the person holding the camera also wanted to be free and have, you know, a taste of jack chicken, jack sausage, and oxtail and rice and peas. So ladies and gentlemen, everything was cool. The vibe was cool and we enjoyed. Our main aim is to try different Jamaican restaurants within Kenya. Until next time, we say goodbye.